Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will study long vowel sounds. Long vowels occur when a vowel sounds like its name. That is, the full letter is pronounced in the word. For example, in the word bake, the A sound is like its name. It is pronounced as A. In short vowel, A is pronounced as A. Combination of EI, EA, EIGH and EY also makes long A sound. So let's start today's video. Read along with me all the words. C-A-K-E cake, R-A-I-N rain, P-L-A-Y play, A-F-R-A-I-D afraid, C-A-N-E cane, W-A-I-T wait, P-R-A-Y pray, S-P-A-C-E space, B-A-B-Y baby, V-E-I-N vain, B-E-I-G-E beige, G-R-E-A-A-T great, B-R-E-A-K break, E-I-G-H-T 8, W-E-I-G-H-T wait, O-B-E-Y obey, P-O-T-A-T-O potato, C-H-A-I-R chair, F-L-A-M-E flame, T-R-A-Y tray, B-E-T-R-A-Y betray, W-A-S-T-E waste, F-R-A-M-E frame, A-G-E-N-T agent, S-U-R-V-E-Y survey, F-R-E-I-G-H-T freight, V-W-E-I-G-H way, L-A-M-E lame, D-A-T-E date, G-A-M-E game, S-P-R-A-Y spray, H-A-Z-Y hazy, L-A-Z-Y lazy, E-A-G-L-E eagle, G-R-A-P-E grape, P-L-A-T-E plate, P-A-I-N-T paint, T-A-K-E take, S-L-E-I-G-H sleigh, P-A-P-E-R paper.